My name is Christina Slayton, and today I'm going to be presenting to you my activity card with an activity called Letter Treasure. This activity is based on alphabet awareness. Basically, in our alphabet awareness, we want our students to recognize and name letters. So, in this activity called Letter Treasures, our first steps are going to be to mix medium-sized magnetic letters mixed in rice. Students in a small group, 2 to 3 students, will take turns digging in the rice with their small shovels. When they find a letter, they will pick up the letter, and students will try to guess the letter name. The teacher will guide by pointing to the letter on a large letter chart. And after we identify each letter, we will put the magnetic letter on the whiteboard before digging for our next letter treasure. Before ending our small group rotation, we will review the letter treasures that we found by pointing to the letter and saying the letter name. To accommodate some or many of our students, magnetic letters are medium sized with pegs for visual and fine motor deficits. Letters on the alphabet chart are large with strong black and white contrast. For visual deficits, picture cards with letters equivalent to the magnetic letters in the bin are presented to our nonverbal students, in which they can match the card to the letter they picked out of the bin. The bin is sitting low on a table for handicapped accessibility. Items are medium sized for our friends who put objects in their mouths or have deficits with fine motor. Letters can be traced in the sand for our more tactile learners. Alphabet knowledge is the knowledge of individual letters, names, sounds, and shapes. And in alphabet awareness, we want our students to practice saying the alphabet and recognize the names of the letters. And so this is why I picked this activity, because in this activity, we can make it fun and make the students feel like they are digging for treasures just like pirates would. And ultimately, letters are their treasures because these letters are going to be carried on to their future learning and continue to go with them through the rest of their life. So we want them to pick out these treasures and identify them. That's the activity. Here are my resources that I use for the activity. Please check out these resources. They're very great in giving some great information and detailing some great research that's being put in place for literacy. Thank you so much for your time. I hope you enjoyed this presentation and this activity card. Please do try this activity with your classroom, or if you are teaching an upper level classroom, please try this activity and make some alterations to it and make it your own. Thank you so much.